those wings. My goodness, look at those wings, Precious. Yes, this is great. Look at you. Great stuff. Good job, Precious. Yes. You love that. Careful, hold on. Doing that. That is so nice. I like to see you having a good time. That's just making rice. Look at you. Your whole head went under. Precious is a rescue bird. My son was at the playground and he just kept following him. He wouldn't leave him alone, so he brought him home, and we're learning as we go. But birds take a lot of time and a lot of love and a lot of cleaning behind them, but they're definitely worth the love. So we're learning all about Indian ringnecks now. We named him Precious because we thought he was a girl. He was a baby and we didn't even realize it. And then his feathers started coming in and the color around his face, and we realized he was a boy. Lexi, you're okay. You're okay. Lexi, your rice maker. Look at you. My goodness. What are you doing? What are you doing, big stuff? It was a good shower, wasn't it? It was. Yeah, it was a good shower. Precious. Yeah, down in Florida.